Hey Viper Nation, gonna share with you another video to help you with today's second assignment in Delta Math. So again, we're looking at a table of values representing a linear function, and we want to write an equation in slope-intercept form. Again, we've talked about that. That is y equals mx plus b, where m is representing our slope and b is representing the y-intercept. Now, in our last example, we were able to determine the y-intercept given the table of values simply by identifying where x is 0. But this time, we were not given that particular coordinate on the line. And so we've got to figure out if we can maybe follow a pattern in order to determine where the y-intercept is or what the y-intercept is. So let's go ahead and take a look. We're going to determine our slope first. Remember, when we're looking at a table of values, we want to see how is y changing y, compared to how x is changing x. Slope is a ratio comparing the rise to the run. And so let's take a look. As you look here, y is decreasing. It's getting further away from 0. It's subtracting 3 each time, okay? So we're going down. And that's going to represent our y value, okay, or our change in y. But then as we look at x, it is increasing by 1 each time. So if one value is decreasing and another value is increasing, this is going to leave us with a negative slope, or a line that is slanting downward. Now let's see, instead of going towards the right, let's see if we can go back towards the left and find our y-intercept. So if x was increasing by 1 each time, if we go back, what do you think we're going to do? That's right, subtract 1. That will give us where x is 0. And then as we look at our y-coordinate, instead of subtracting 3 each time, we're going to, that's right, add 3. So negative 4 plus 3 would put us at negative 1. That would represent our y-intercept. That is where x is 0. And so our b is negative 1. Our equation in slope-intercept form, y equals negative 3x minus 1. So I hope this example helps you with this second Delta Math assignment. Good luck. Do your best.